Hi, I'm Brandy. I'm excited to share some fall outfits that would be perfect for building a seasonal capsule wardrobe. This year, all shades of brown are super trendy, and so is suede. So I'm including those in my picks. Plus, since I'm over 50, I've made sure to include comfortable shoes and jeans. And because I'm only 5'3", I've included petite sizes so you can find something that fits. You can find these amazing items at Anthropologie, J.Crew Factory, J.Crew, and Nordstrom. Some of the pieces might even be in stock at a store near you. So let's jump right in. I'm starting out with a basic long sleeve t shirt in white from J.Crew Factory. You can never have too many white t shirts, but this shirt is available in several colors. I've added a suede belt from J.Crew in blonde espresso in size extra small. And I'm wearing a tailored wide leg jean with front and back pockets. It's the Colette from Maeve at Anthropologie in size 25 petite. It is a high rise fit, which I don't usually like, but because of the stretch in this jean, it's very comfortable to wear. The suede loafer is Maris from Born, and it's available at Nordstrom in multiple colors at $99. I've tried on several loafers recently, and these Born loafers are the most comfortable for the money, especially if you need a wider toe box. The next outfit is very versatile, especially if you live in warmer weather. The classic cotton cardigan is from J.Crew Factory, and the mushroom color gives a fall vibe. The lightweight Lizzie pants are made from mostly cotton and linen. They're also from J.Crew Factory, and they do have petite sizes. Here I'm wearing size petite 25 in the natural color. Rounding out this outfit is the Nisolo woven leather sandals from Anthropologie. I don't usually paint my toenails during the fall, and I was looking for some sandals that don't show toenails, and these fit the bill. They have a selection of colors, and you just don't see this kind of craftsmanship anymore. I did size up a half a size, but I probably didn't need to. So I recommend that you stick with your regular size. Next is the white J.Crew factory long sleeve t shirt again, but now I'm pairing it with a utility jean by Cut from the Cloth. It's a mid rise with a lightweight fabric. Notice the front slant pockets and the back patch pockets. I usually order a petite size 25, but they were not available at the time I ordered it, so I ended up getting the petite size 26. I'm keeping the 26 because even though they are a bit loose, I liked the baggy look with this one. However, some reviewers recommended sizing down. This is going to replace my AG ex boyfriend jeans, which were so comfortable but more expensive. The sneakers are the Puma Palermo in black. They are very comfortable, and I bought my usual size. Staying with the same white t shirt and adding the suede belt again, I'm modeling the low rise flared jeans from Pilcro at Anthropologie. This jean is also offered in petite sizes. I was really excited about finding a low rise jean again. However, this pair was a bit longer in the leg, and I would need to wear at least a 2-inch heel for the hem not to drag on the floor. Also, the low waist was right on my hip bone and it was not as comfortable as the other jeans I've shown here. So I ended up returning this one. The soft penny loafer at Nordstrom is described as light brown, although it looks to me as medium brown. The support was amazing in this shoe. I ordered my regular size. However, the toe box was a bit small for me, and I was afraid that the larger size would be too loose in the heel, so I returned it. For the final outfit, this long sleeve t shirt is from Gap. It's available in petite sizes and they have 9 bold and neutral colors. The final outfit pairs the shirt in brown with a printed mini skirt from Maeve. I don't find many short skirts these days, and I don't really think this skirt is a mini on me, but that's probably because I'm only 5'3". The skirt was a size small, which was much too large. I've already ordered a replacement in an extra small, so hopefully that one will work. The Bernardo boots I'm wearing with this outfit are no longer available, but I did find another similar suede boot from Anthropologie. See the link in the description. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. I've linked all these items in the description so you can check them out online. If you're interested in seeing more outfits, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can keep up with more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.